What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha, and today I am going to be trying out for the very first time and giving my review on one of the new limited edition Miche Beauty anti-humidity gels. I have been trying for the longest to get my hands on one of these limited edition gels, and they really are limited. So I have here the Miche Beauty Golden Haze anti-humidity gel, and I'm about to use it for my wash and go. So of course I'm doing a wash and go, surprise surprise, and I am not using a leave-in conditioner, but I am going to make sure to use a lot of water with this gel because that is what they suggest. I have not smelled it yet, so let's do the smell test. Oh, it smells good already. It's clear, white. Oh, that smells good. Smell. I think the jar is this color, but the gel is actually like white or clear. I can't really tell. It smells amazing though. I don't know how to describe it. Vanilla-y. Very fall coated for sure. I'm actually surprised to learn that this is a protein gel. It has quinoa protein in it. It's so good. See that right there? I love that. I love when a gel does this to my hair. Love it. When a product elongates my hair like this, like to the point that it makes it look straight, or like I have some type of heat or chemical damage, the bounce back is going to be amazing. At least that's usually what happens, I think. Anyways, water. And this gel also has glycerin in it. I know some people don't like humectants in their hair products, like glycerin and honey. Oh my goodness, look at that! Wow, when did my hair get this long? I forgot to add water to that first piece that I did, and I can really see and feel the difference when I spray my hair with water before adding the gel. Anyways, you guys know that Tropical Oasis anti-humidity gel is the OG anti-humidity gel from Miche Beauty. It came out so long ago, and it's viral for a reason. Tropical Oasis is that girl, been that girl for good reason. It works so well, and recently it just seems like they've been coming up with these limited editions in different scents, not flavors. They've been coming out with these new limited edition ones. Like over the summer they had a wild rose, and I think it was a champagne something other one, and I've been trying to get my hands on one of these limited edition gels since like July. Like, no joke. I've been trying to get one of these because I love Tropical Oasis so much. I had a feeling that I'm gonna love this one just as much because I'm pretty sure it's the same formula with just different colors and scents. Oh my gosh. So far, looking real good. As much as I love Tropical Oasis, I mean, it's been a while since I have bought Tropical Oasis, but it is such a good gel. Like the hold of it and the longevity of it, the definition that it provides, I'm expecting this gel to do the same. I love that this has quinoa protein in it and glycerin, because it makes me feel like I'm getting a good balance of moisture and protein. Isn't that what we all want and need? But yeah, if you can get your hands on one of these, good luck. When they initially came out with these limited editions over the summer, they sold out so quickly before I could even try to get one. And then they restocked, and as soon as I saw on their Instagram that they restocked, I ran to the website and I bought one, and it went through, and then my order never came. So I contacted them and I was like, hey, what's going on? it was sold out. There were no more left. So I tried to wait until they got restocked again, and it was a few weeks out. They said my order would ship once it got restocked. Tried again, still nothing. I just ended up having to cancel the order, and I did not get the gel. So I was a little worried about that happening a second time around, but I had no issues this time around. And I'm wondering if they're going to continue to release limited editions every season, like to go with the season, like summer, fall, winters are going to be a spring gel, like they just have new drops coming out every season. That would be kind of cool. And like, I'm doing this review, but I already know I'm gonna love this product in my results. I already know it, pretty much because it's Tropical Oasis remixed, but also because just from what I am seeing so far, how it's making my hair feel and look, I already know the definition is going to be hitting. I already know, like, I'm going to love my results and it's going to last me all week. But, you know, still got to give it a try. Still got to let the people know what's going on. And I love the smell. I'm sorry that I don't know how to explain it, but it's just kind of like a vanilla-ish, vanilla cashmere, like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it. I will put the notes that how they describe the scent on their website on the screen for you guys. The weird thing about hair products too though is that even if you don't necessarily love a scent, it's not a lasting scent. It's not like you go around smelling like your hair products every day, or I don't know, I feel like once your hair dries, you don't really smell it that much, or definitely like for me a few hours after that I don't really smell my hair, and I don't want to walk around smelling like my hair products. Nonetheless, it does help when it smells good. All right, this is what we look like after applying the gel. I love that it elongates my hair, like my curls are a little bit more weighed down, and I think that's a good sign. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just diffuse my hair today. I am not sitting under a hooded dryer. I'm just going to diffuse with my Dyson blow dryer. Let's go. And I'm going on medium heat, low speed. One thing for sure, Miche Beauty knows how to make a good gel. Like, one thing I love is a product that does what it says it is going to do, when it lives up to its claims. I've tried gels before that claim to be strong hold or claim to have frizz-free, no flaking and all this stuff, and it doesn't work out. Frizz-free, firm hold. That is exactly what I have. The definition, there's no frizz, it's firm, it's a little crunchy on some parts, but I'm here for the crunch. This first part that I did when I forgot to add the water before the gel is crunchier than the rest. Like, that hold is really like firm back there. It's strong hold. I'm in love with my results. Like, my hair is not too stringy or like flat. Speaking of flat, that is also why I wanted to use my diffuser. I guess I didn't explain that properly, but because the gel was already elongating my hair, and because sitting under a hooded dryer typically gives me elongated results, I thought the diffuser would be a better option because I do get more volume with the diffuser than what I would get sitting under the hooded dryer. So, great combination. See how the drying technique matters? This is why it's not always about the product. You have to take into consideration your techniques. How you're styling. Are you raking? Are you shingling? How you're drying? Are you air drying? Are you diffusing? Are you sitting under a hooded dryer? all these little steps add up to whether your hair is going to flake, whether your hair is going to be defined, if it's going to be crunchy, if it's going to be frizzy. But I'm in love with my results. I'm not surprised. Even though it has been a while since I have used the Tropical Oasis gel, this is exactly what I remember feeling like using it for the first time. It's what I remember, like I just was in love with the results. Its definition and moisture. I love that there's protein in it. I love all of it. I love my results. I love that my hair is not super shrunken. Like for day one, this is amazing. Now, I just might come back and give you guys a day 3 update because you know day 3 is my favorite. So I'm back with a quick little update on day 3, and my hair has been holding up pretty well. I can actually still feel the gel cast on some parts of my hair, but there's also like this front part right here a little bit has gotten a little bit soft. It's not really frizzy, but it's gotten a little bit softer. But this side definitely still has the cast, and the back of my hair still has that cast. This is nothing crazy though. My hair has mostly been pulled back or in a bonnet because it's been raining like crazy the past couple of days, but she's still holding up really well. I have no doubt this will make it to like day 5 or 6 maybe. I haven't had any flaking or anything like that. It's been perfect. I love it, just like I thought I would. Who knows if Miche is going to be making more limited editions with different scents in the future, but if you can get your hands on one of the limited editions, I say go for any one of them. They probably all work the same. Like I said, I think they have the same DNA, just different scent profiles. If you're looking for strong hold, moisture, flake-free, definition, all the good stuff for a wash and go right ahead. And that's it for my review of this Miche Beauty Anti-Humidity Gel Golden Haze. 10 out of 10. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.